I found this interesting. Leader of Israel, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, gave an update on what's going on in Iran. He went to his mouth as if he was coughing. It looked fake to me. Check it out.
We're in the third day of, sorry. This is the third day of the Operation Roaring Lion, the operation that...
Operation Roaring Lion. October 18th, 2023. Like Luke 10:18, October 18th, 2023, Biden went out to Israel. He said, "You're not alone." Watch him go to his mouth.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat. I come to Israel with a single message. You're not alone.
So 2 men go to their mouths. Look at the dates. October 18th, 2023. Today is March 2nd, 2026. 2 years ago on 4/15. What is 4/15? Abraham Lincoln died at 4:15, 7:22 in the a.m. Abraham Lincoln. The 722 is important because the USS Gerald R. Ford vessel is out there in the Middle East, the biggest vessel we have. That vessel was commissioned on 7/22 of 2017. What are the odds? Now look at this. Pope Francis died on April 21st, 2025. April 21st, 2025. Today is the anniversary that Joe Biden coughed, and today that Benjamin Netanyahu coughed. The difference is 45 weeks. There's your siren. Who's the 45th president? And make it more interesting, Trump was going to trial back in the day in New York. Look what he was saying. Trump speaking about freezing. It's freezing in the courtroom. I call it the icebox, Trump said. Trump lashes out after being held in contempt of court. He said it was freezing in the courtroom, the hush money trial. I'm Friendship Pearson. What does all that mean? Cold hands. Friendship Blue, please subscribe. Tell me what you think.